a bump. That's what they do. They rock, they roll, they can drill you out a hole. That's what they do. They're masters of construction, the heavy metal crew. They grab, they grip, they can take it to the tip. That's what they do. They lift, they load, they can run it up the road. That's what they do.
Can you hear that noise?
No idea what you're talking about.
Yeah, it's like a rattle.
Oh, yes. I can hear it too. A real rattle.
It's coming from Carrie. Carrie's got a rattle. Carrie's got a rattle.
All right. So I'm rattling. Big deal.
Is a rattle something to worry about?
Of course not.
You sure you're not worried? Carrie?
No. Now come on. Let's talk more work.
She's worried.
Lovely.
Good morning, Bozo.
Good morning, lad.
Here, come on.
Carrie!
Stop it, Diggs. It's not funny.
Roll back! Mr. Hooky is now coming through!
What's that Carl's carrying?
It's machinery for the CCT. Construction Site Certificate Test. It's being held in the warehouse today.
Today? Oh, today. Oh, good.
What test?
We all have to pass the test to carry on working. It's standard construction procedure.
Oh.
Nothing to worry about.
Oh, I hope I pass.
I think I'll go and get some more supplies from the back of the site.
Huh.
I'll never pass that test. With this rattle, I'll be thrown off the site.
You've got a little rattle and it's got you thinking. Your engine has a splutter and you fear the worst. Things you know are easy have your heart a sinking. You think you'll end up lost when you should be the first. It's only your imagination. You're just as fit as all the rest. A normal everyday type situation. All you have to do is pass a test. Think of something simple that will ease the tension. Suppose you say you'll shift a load from A to B. You load it on, then lift it up and, ooh, your suspension. If you're in a mess, don't let the others see. It's only your imagination. You're just as fit as all the rest. A normal, everyday type situation. All you have to do is pass a test.
Right. If this is my last day, then this is my last day. Plinky plank, plonky plank, plunky plank, and all you other planks I never got round to naming. You're coming with me.
Carrie, why have you got your planks? Where are the supplies?
I want you both to have my planks.
Does this mean I have to give you my rock collection? Because I don't want to.
Yeah, good thinking, Scoochie. You're not getting my scrap metal collection that easily, Carrie.
No, they're just for you to have.
Oh.
And besides, I won't be able to take them with me.
Take them with you to where?
Come on, let's just get this test over and done with.
Maxine, are you nervous?
Don't worry.
Oh, dear.
What's she up to now?
Carl, you're the best crane I'll ever see swing a hooky.
Oh, stop it! Carrie, the things you say.
Carrie's gone.
No one mixes cement like you, Maxine. And no one gives advice like you either.
Oh, Carrie, you can come to me for advice anytime you want.
And Lug, dear Lug, I've always admired your strong, easygoing attitude.
You have?
Diggs, Scooch, you're my best friends and I love and respect you very much. Very, very much.
Okay. Now this is getting really weird.
Right. The testing machinery is ready. Who's going to be first?
Oh, me!
Carrie. Come along now. Mind behind.
Goodbye. I'm ready, Boza. But before you throw me off the site, I just want you to know that I've always admired you and...
Throw you off the site? Now, why would I do that?
I have a rattle.
You call that a rattle? This is a rattle.
But...
You can't fail a construction test. It's just to find out what needs fixing. That's all.
So I can stay and work with everyone?
Of course.
Phew.
Now, let's get testing.
Are you all right, Carrie?
Yep, I feel good. Better than good, I feel great. Yeah!
First Carrie's all sad and weird, then she's all vroom and top gear.
Who's next?
Oh, me! I liked my test. What a joy.
Me too. Varoomed through it, as I knew I would.
Guys, can I have my planks back, please?
You can, Carrie, but only if you tell us how much you love and respect us again.
All right. I love and respect you.
And, how much do you love and respect us, Carrie?
Very much. Okay? Now can I please have my planks back?
Well, when you say you love us very
They
much...
grab, they grip, they can take it to the tip. That's what they do. They lift, they load, they can run it up the road. That's what they do. They scrape, they scratch, they can fetch another batch. That's what they do. They drag, they drop, they can take it to the top. That's what they do.